Chapter 25 Simple Future Tense. Simple future tense is a verb tense that's used to talk about things that haven't happened yet. For example, number 1. I will meet him later. 2. We shall move to another city. 3. It will rain tomorrow. 4. She will be late. Read this too. LL is very common and is almost always used when speaking. The simple future tense is also used to talk about an action or condition that will begin and end in the future. The formula for the simple future is subject plus shall or will plus root form of verb. For example, number 1. I will learn a new language. 2. Jen shall read that book. 3. My brothers will sleep till noon if no one wakes them up. 4. You will see what I mean. It doesn't matter if the subject is singular or plural, the formula for the simple future doesn't change. Going to. There is another way to show that something will happen in the future. It follows the formula subject plus am or is or are plus going to plus root form of verb. For example, number 1. I am going to learn a new language. 2. Jen is going to read that book. 3. My brothers are going to sleep till noon if no one wakes them up. 4. You are going to see what I mean. The going to construction is common in speech and casual writing. Keep in mind though that it's on the informal side, so it's a good idea to stick to the will plus root form construction in formal writing. To make the simple future negative, the formula is subject plus shall or will plus not plus root form of verb. For example, number 1. I will not go. 2. You will not be late. 3. It will not rain tomorrow. 4. She shall not get the job. Using the going to construction, the formula is subject plus am, is, are, plus not, plus going to, plus root form of verb. For example, number 1. Rajiv is not going to quit before she reaches her goal. 2. Arrive on time tomorrow because the bus is not going to wait for you. 3. He is not going to say anything bad about his boss. 4. I am not going to finish my homework in time for class. To ask a question in the simple future, the formula is shall or will plus subject plus root form of verb. For example, number 1. Will Kaira finish War and Peace over the summer? 2. Shall I have the discipline to study Spanish every day? 3. What will you buy with the money you found? The formula for the going to construction is am, is, are plus subject plus going to plus root form of verb. For example, number 1. Is Kaira going to finish War and Peace over the summer? 2. Am I going to have the discipline to study Spanish every day? 3. What are you going to buy with the money you found?